viewers, welcome on this channel. Learn English from Twitter. It takes few minutes and we can enhance our English language. From Twitter, in a short time we can enhance our vocabulary, we can enhance our current affair knowledge, we can enhance the knowledge of how to make sentences, tenses. So in this read, which is tweeted by Sachin Tendulkar, and we read this and we can enhance our knowledge. So let's begin and learn something new. Sachin Tendulkar wishing Tabla Hussain. Let's read. Many happy returns of the day. Tabla Ustad Zakir Hussain. He has written many happy return of this day. He is wishing on his birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Tabla Ustad Zakir Hussain. We can't ever forget your visit to my house. He is saying that we cannot ever forget. Forget means who never fail to remember. He remembering. He never failed to remember. And he has written, we can't forget your visit. Visit means meet. Tabla Zakir Hussain, who had visited at Sachin Tendulkar's house, and Sachin Tendulkar is writing that he can't forget. He can't fail to remember his visit and to his house and the time you spent with the entire family, and your time you have spent with their family. It will with their entire family. Entire family means all the family member. When you have all the family member together, then you say my entire family. Entire family means all the family member. He has written that he never failed to remember your visit. You spent your time with us and with us, and he never failed to remember. It will always be etched in our memory. He has written your visit, your time which is spent by you, they can't forget, and your time, your visit etched. Etched means engraved. Which is engraved. He can't forget. Engraved like something which is designed with the focus, with the force. Like I have something to show you, that this is wood, and there is design which is made by focus. It's engraved. There is engraved the name key house. This is a key holder, and this is a wood, and it's engraved. Design is engraved on the wooden by the artist. This type, it's made by it's made by force, and it's name written on it, and it is called engraved. Key house, it's engraved, this name on this wood. And something that design could be designed, and on this bangle you can see that this design is engraved with force, is called engraved. And in this est over here, it means that his visit engraved in his mind, in his memory, that he can't forget. And engraved, engraved mean nakashi, khodna. So these types of vocabulary, and you can speak in your own words, like Sachin Tendulkar has tweeted that he is wishing Tabla Hussain Zakir, and he was remembering the day when Tabla Hussain visited at his house and spent his time with them, and he's saying that that time etched in their memory. So like this, and practice at home. If you like this class with Nisha Bansatri, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.